Alright, just a quick video about removing the exhaust pipe on a Lincoln SA200 welder. Mine gets run quite a bit in neighborhoods, and while I like the way it sounds, I don't know that the neighbors really care to listen to it all day. So I went online to BW Parts, ordered part number BW1203-K, which is a replacement exhaust pipe that has a built-in resonator that's supposed to quiet it down a little bit. I mean, obviously it's not a muffler, so you're still going to get some bark, but it should kind of take the edge off of it. So when I went to remove the exhaust pipe, the first thing I did was soak it with penetrating oil and put a pipe wrench and a cheater on it and tried to twist it out. I noticed that the pipe was starting to deform a little bit, but it was showing no signs of wanting to twist out of the threads. So I just took a Sawzall, cut it off right at the top of the threads, just parallel with the top of this. Careful not to hit the spark plugs or the spark plug wires as the blade's going through. But after I cut that off, it took about a minute to cut with a Sawzall. Then I took just a beat up screwdriver. I mean, obviously the right thing to do would be a cold chisel, but if you're just kind of rednecking it like me, put it at an angle, pounded it in like that, and it pushed it in, and then I hit it from a couple of other angles, and that was enough that it popped right out. When it came out, the threads were still intact here, and also in the casting, the threads are still intact. Prior to doing all of this, I shoved a rag down to catch all the metal filings that you can see there in the video. So really not a difficult project at all. I mean, it was start to finish, it was about 3 minutes to do it. So there you have it. If you ever need to remove your exhaust pipe to replace with the one like I've ordered, or for any other reason, you're going to sacrifice the pipe, but it's really 3 minutes to get it out, and you're not risking breaking the casting by putting a whole bunch of pressure on it. So anyway, thanks. Hope it helps somebody.